again, and we're going to talk about a 12-quart Stockpot, something that I think a lot of us think about in the summertime for picnics, but this time of the year we are thinking about stews and chilies and, you know, seafood bakes and all that kind of good stuff. The price on this and the easy pay will go away at the end of the day. I need you to keep that in mind. $39.98 is an excellent price. And this particular one is actually made enamel on steel construction, so it's not terribly heavy. The ones our grandmothers used to have, one my mom had too, was just plain old gray. You know, and it was sort of heavy to begin with before you put anything in it. You do get the lid, as you can see, and I'll walk you through as we go through everything. 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty. If you are new to the collection, please come give it a try. You have a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee. We also can do bill to, ship to if you would like. This is that beautiful confetti. This is the one, Tara, that you like to collect because it has all the colors.
Yeah, it's perfect to mix and match kind of with whatever you have. So if you have been wanting to step out and try a different color, this is such a fun way to do it because leaving it out on your stovetop is just beautiful.
Then we're going to have, not too hard, we have green and then we have blue, and this will be your combination of the old world and the floral lace together. And I'm just going to put the lid up so that you can see how pretty this is. This one, hand washed. $40 for a 12-quart Stockpot. I was blown away at the price.
Well, I love it because, first of all, we are always asking for larger capacity. And what I love in the show is that it's not all stoneware, right? For 19 years, we've been sharing this incredible brand with you and really listening to the customers and what they want in their collection. And the thing we heard loud and clear was, give us that Stockpot that we can use whether we're making small batches of something or we're making large batches of something. You know, with like the big game right around the corner, there's traditional things that whether you're having a crowd, which none of us really are now, you still want to make those nostalgic meals that you always have. And so what I love about this is that it's big enough that you grow into it. It's small enough that you could make it for a simple family of 2 or 4. Chicken noodle soups, stews, all of those comfort foods that we look so forward to. Perfect to spoon right into the soup mugs that we were just showing you, those 22-ounce soup mugs, as if it was orchestrated. Thank you, Pat.
You are welcome.
This is what I love about it. So, you know, of course, taking your grandmother's recipe, your family recipe, making it, serving it, you can see how these pieces all work together. And what I love about Enamel on Steel, Pat hit it right on the head, is it's super lightweight. Yet you don't give up anything in the way that it performs, the way that it cooks, but you're not carrying, you know, all of this weight plus 12 quarts of food or something along those lines.
And I think that we all have a little food fatigue these days and are trying to think of, you know, I mean, look how beautiful this is. Wow. Whether Sunday means your Sunday sauce that you just go ahead and enjoy all day long, you know, and let on the stove to simmer all day, or meatballs, or chili, or stew, or this is
beef bourguignon.
Is that what this is?
Beef. Yes.
Don't ask me to spell it. Beef bourguignon. But I will certainly, it smells amazing. And you know, you can go through then and you can freeze it. You all know how to do that. You can freeze it, but it's one pot that will help you get it done so that during the week you will have those meals ready to go. And who doesn't remember Sunday dinner? We still love Sunday dinner. And that's
absolutely.
We could have called this pot Sunday dinner.
You're right. And you know what? It's all of those kind of nostalgic things that we grew up making and that we looked forward to having that now we're sharing with our families. Our families are sharing with their families. And so what I love about this is that exactly what you were just saying. We are now preparing breakfast, which we never did before, lunch, dinner. All of our meals, for the most part, are at home. So the fact that you could make a big batch of something, bag it, freeze it, and then be able to pull throughout the week, it's just one less thing that you have to stress or worry about.
Exactly. And, you know, these are the kinds of things, Tara, that you wish you had. A lot of us have a 5-quart Dutch oven, and that's where it begins and ends. But, you know, when we get into the garden season, and I have tried for many years to grow corn, and something always happens to it. Last year, the storm took it out. But, you know, corn in here, A low boil, if you like seafood and things like that, you know, clams, oysters, all that good stuff inside here. Pick it up now for less than $40. And you know, if you use a credit card, debit card, or PayPal, it really only charges at $8 this month. So let me remind you what you're going to have. Here's another, you know, this would be a cute shower gift, don't you think, Tara? Because you could, you know, angle this way, and then we could put in what's coming up, the really cute little towels, and you could even keep one of these for yourself. Wouldn't that be cute?
So cute.
Pasta
Love
in
that.
there and that whole 9 yards. So, okay, let me not get too far off track. So this is confetti, because I love to gift temptations, and I think a lot of us love that too. Here's green, and then we have blue. And you can see how pretty it does look, even though it's not the exact same colors as that tea kettle that's coming up. That's brand new, but it works so, so beautifully. So imagine, here is your Sunday sauce all day long. I bet Frank upstairs, our LP, remembers that his mom makes some good Sunday sauce, right? The Sunday sauce in here. Or I grew up in Pennsylvania, Dutch country. My mom would make Manhattan clam chowder, you know, chicken noodle soup, $39.98. All right. Life is short, so lick the bowl.